If you are tired of making a mess when you try to apply caulk, this 6-in-1 caulking tool is going to be your best friend. I'm going to show you how to use it. And we've got all of these silicone smoothing tools, and this is going to be what gives you that nice finish. So I'm going to show you how to use these. Okay, so you can see we got this old caulking in here. So we want to take that out. You can take this metal tip and put it in there and pull. All right, and that's going to go ahead and remove some of it. Or we can flip it around. You can see right there, it started to take it off. We can flip it around and we can push right into the caulk as well. If we look real close, look at this. See, it's starting to take it up right there. And then we can take this tool here, watch. We now have a blade, thick piece in there that I want to get out. There we go, it's starting to come out. Pop that out of there. All right, so this is where the magic happens. So all I'm gonna do is lay a bead of caulk in here. And this is just acrylic. So we're gonna put it in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and pull it down. And look at that. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll go back this way. Tell me it doesn't get any better than that. Look at that. That's an absolutely perfect caulk line. So this is just gonna make prep that much easier. You've got everything you need to get all the old caulk out of there with this. Could you do grout line with your finger? Yes, you can, like a lot of people do, but I would rather do this because it keeps it off my finger and it's more uniform. It's a better end result. And then of course you get your prep tool. So I think it's great. Pick it up, check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.